Hi guys! Welcome back again sa aking channel. My name is Jeefrey and today's video is i-review natin itong si LIGHTNITE and pag-uusapan natin lahat ng tungkol dito sa LIGHTNITE, kung paano tayo kikita dito, mga laro dito or gameplay natin dito, paano siya i-install, paano tayo magbabay ng LIGHTNITE, so kung paano natin ibebenta yung mga NFTs natin. So lahat guys tungkol sa LIGHTNITE is pag-uusapan natin and hati-hatiin ko na lang siguro guys yung video para hindi masyadong mahaba. And kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga i-upload ko about sa mga NFT games or NFT game dito sa aking YouTube channel. And yun nga, wag na natin patagalin pa, umpisahan na natin yung ating topic. So yun na nga guys, ito yung kanilang website dito sa LIGHTNITE, itong lightnite.io, and ilalagay ko na nga lang yung link dyan sa description below. And pwede kayo mag-join sa kanilang Discord. So meron silang Discord and pwede nyong i-click yung play now para madiretso kayo dun sa kanilang elixir. So nandun kasi guys yung LIGHTNITE. So dun nyo siya i-install. So scroll down tayo. So sabi dito, get Bitcoin playing LIGHTNITE. So accept the challenge of this multiplayer battle royale game with in-game Bitcoin rewards and a minimalistic, low poly and cartoonish design. So ito guys, si LIGHTNITE is meron silang battle royale and hindi pa nga yan nalalabas. Tulad yun guys ng FORTNITE, PUBG, COD, ROS, parang ganun siya guys. And kung player kayo ng mga ganong game and favorite nyo mga third person game, baka ma-enjoy nyo to and mag-earn pa kayo. So ito guys, Bitcoin Royale. So Bitcoin microtransactions add a new level of interaction within the game. Players can get Bitcoin instantly as they shoot opponents. All in-game items have a real value which players can consume or trade to withdraw your balance using Lightning Network. So what are you waiting for? Start to loot your opponent now, but don't waste too much time or you will be others loot. So, ang meaning lang nito guys, while you playing LIGHTNITE is mag-earn kayo ng Satoshi, which is yung Satoshi na yun guys, pwede natin yan i-withdraw sa Lightning Network nga nila. And ano nga ba yung Satoshi? Yun guys yung smallest amount or unit ng Bitcoin. So, kung meron kayong 100 million na Satoshi, meron kayong 1 Bitcoin. So, ganun siya guys. Yung Satoshi kasi is naka-base sa Bitcoin. And yun nga, smallest amount siya ng Bitcoin. So, bukod doon, pwede rin kayo dito guys mag-earn ng mga NFTs, like mga skin nyo dito sa LIGHTNITE. So, kapag meron kayong mga skin na yun, pwede nyo yun ibenta sa kanilang marketplace. So, another income na naman yun. So, yun. Scroll tayo ng konti. And ito guys, yung kanilang trailer. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, try natin i-play. And mute ko lang para hindi tayo dito maka-copyright. So, ayan. And then, so ayun guys, tumatalon rin sila sa helicopter. And yan, meron nga silang hoverbird. Yan. Daily mission to unlock Bitcoin. So, yun, may mga mission din. And weekly tournament to unlock more Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin talaga guys yung ano natin dito. More earn. So, ayan. So, ito guys yung player. So, itong Ford na to, ito yung player. And ito guys yung Ford dun kanina, ayun naman kung ilan yung napatay mo. So, ayan, pwede natin i-withdraw yung ating mga na-earn dito na Satoshi. So, yan. 3,000 stores worldwide yan, Uber Eats. So, ang alam ko guys, pwede natin i-withdraw yung ating mga Satoshi dito gamit nga yung kanilang Lightning Network. Or, like ng mga Netflix guys, mga voucher. Alam ko pwede natin yun sila i-withdraw doon. So, depende naman sa atin yun. And yun, ganun lang naman. lightnite.io. So, yun nga, dito sa number 1, nakalagay, be a LIGHTNITER. There is a limited amount of keys available to play the early access. So, limited lang daw guys yung amount nga para makalaro tayo dito. So, pwede na tayo mag-buy and ang LIGHTNITE is nagkakahalaga guys ng 1,000 pesos. Pero kapag gagamit kayo ng referral link, so meron ako dyang link guys, nasa 800 na lang yan. Kasi makakalis kayo, bukod dun makakuha pa kayo ng 500 Satoshi. Tapos, ang alam ko, makakuha rin kayo ng common na skin. So, number 2, show your skills. Kill enemy, level up, and win the battle royale. Easy enough, right? So, ayun. And then, sabi dito sa number 3, get Bitcoin. Start hashtag stacking sats while playing in the arena with your squad. So, pwede natin guys dito makalaro yung ating mga friend. So, kung kunyari, meron kayong mga friend na nag-avail din netong game na to. So, pwede kayo maglaro or pwede naman guys, comment kayo dyan. Laro tayo kapag meron rin kayo neto. Pwede tayo maglaro, 'di ba? So, ito new gaming concept beyond imagination. LIGHTNITE features a premium circular economy model with in-game store where you can purchase and sell premium items. So, ayun nga, pwede natin i-sell guys yung mga item natin dito. So, ayan, Bitcoin reward and liquid asset. So, basahin nyo na lang guys. And, ito naman, pag kinlik nyo read more, dadali nila kayo dito sa kanilang white paper. Ito guys yung kanilang white paper pag kinlik nyo yung read more. And mamaya guys, magbabay tayo and papakita ko yun sa inyo. So, welcome to LIGHTNITE. Ayan. So, getting started, ito yun guys. First of all, you need to download the Elixir Launcher. So, pag kinilik nyo yan, dadali nila kayo dito guys sa Elixir nga. And ida-download lang natin yung Elixir. And yun nga, dito sa Elixir, may kita nyo yung mga game nila. So, may kita nyo dito yung LIGHTNITE. Ito, pares lang sila. $20 yan. So, nasa 1,000 pesos. And may mga iba pa silang game dito. So, ito nakaraan sa Advival to eh. And yung balik tayo doon sa white paper nila. And then, downloading LIGHTNITE using Elixir. Ayun nga, da-download natin yung LIGHTNITE gamit yung Elixir. And ano nga ba yung Elixir? So, Elixir is a Bitcoin gaming platform developed by Satoshi's Game in 2021. Elixir brings the fun of playing games while you getting rewarded with Bitcoin and NFTs like Bible. So, it has its own Bitcoin NFT marketplace where you can sell your in-game skins to earn more. Yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina guys. Yung Elixir is para siyang Steam, kung alam nyo yung Steam, and karamihan naman sa atin alam na yung Steam. So, yun, doon natin i-install yung mga game nila na gusto nating bilhin, and yung mga nakuha natin or na-loot natin guys na mga skin ng guns or ng hero or character, no? Pwede natin yung ibenta doon sa kanilang marketplace. Depende sa rarity niya. So, game modes. Yan. While designing LIGHTNITE game, we did our best to make it a game for everyone where the Bitcoin integration is not the core of the game but rather an additional feature that makes the game more interactive and gives players the opportunity to monetize the time they spend playing games. So, yun nga guys, while playing LIGHTNITE, pwede kayo mag-earn ng Satoshi. Then, sabi pa dito, this is because we noticed that most of the blockchain games offer a static game experience as the main focus of the studios which created them was on the technology side of the game and not on the game experience itself, which is limited to few in-game moves and the rest is all about trading and speculation. So yun nga guys, ang kinaganda dito sa LIGHTNITE is hindi limited yung galaw nyo dito, so pwede nyo i-explore yung map. Siguro pwede kayo mag-imba-imba dito. Nasa inyo. Unlike guys sa ibang game na limited lang yung pwede nyong gawin. Click-click lang, ganun. So, yun, scroll pa tayo dito. So, ito guys, meron sila ditong mode na COVID-19 survival. So, the COVID-19 survival minigame is based on the idea that oversized SARS-CoV-2. So, yun, particles spawn from infection spots and spread out across the level. So, ito yun guys, yung COVID siguro na babarilin natin dun sa game. And mamaya guys, lalaroin natin yan once na nakabay na tayo netong game. So, yun. And dito sa baba, may kita nyo, ito rin guys yung mga virus din na once na madikitan tayo is madadamage tayo or possible mamatay tayo. And sabi nga dito, the virus particles move slowly through the air across the level to find suitable areas to create, heal, and guard infection spots. If you get close to them, they will chase you, explode on contact, and cause damage over time. Yun nga guys, kailangan natin yung bariling ng mga yan. Yung mga yan na yan. Daming yan. So, ayun. Beta version already available. So, yung COVID-19 na yan guys is nailabas na. So, pwede na natin yung laruin mamaya kapag naka-avail na tayo. So, ayan. Sabi pa, Bitcoin plus NFT rewards. Then, sa game na yun guys, pwede pala tayo mag-earn ng Bitcoin. So, makakuha tayo dun ng rewards. Depende siguro sa points na magagawa natin. So, sabi dito, we have also added a reward system that compensates Satoshis, real Bitcoin. So, when you log in the game and play the COVID-19 minigame, you can earn sats and assets according to your score. So, yun guys, ganito yung game niya, no? Babarilin nyo lang yung mga, ano na yan, COVID na yan, yung virus na yan. And then, ito nga guys, may kita nyo, kung maka-reach kayo ng 1,000 to 3,000 points, you receive 100 Satoshi plus 1 skin. So, pag 3,000 to 10,000 points, you receive 100 sats plus 2 skins. Over 10,000 points, you receive 100 sats plus 3 skins. So, mas maganda, marami kayong points. Or kahit makuha nyo lang yung 1,000 pataas, guys, makuha na kayo kagad ng 100 sats. Ang good thing lang, guys, dito sa mas mataas na points is mas marami kayong skin na makukuha na pwede natin ibenta sa marketplace. So, ayun. And scroll tayo. Then, meron din sila ditong deathmatch multiplayer. And ang alam ko na ilabas na to, itong deathmatch na to, which is pwede kayo maglaro ng iba or pwede kayo may paglaro sa iba. Parang gagawa kayo ng room and then antayin nyo na lang yung iba na pumasok. And ang alam ko, konti pa lang naglalaro dito kasi nga konti pa lang yung player nitong game. So, ayun nga. Sabi dito, a first PvP multiplayer version was already published in release 0.3.1, allowing up to 8 players to fight around the island for a limited time of 5 minutes. So, ganito siya, guys. So, may kita nyo dito, yung kaninang trailer rin to, na ito nga yung player. So, ang pwede daw pumasok is 8 players. And ito yung ano, guys, yung mga napapatay nyo. Kung may kita nyo 3, then yung napatay niya 4 na. And then ito yung time. And yung time na alam ko, ang pagkakasabi dito is 5 minutes. So, ayun. Then, ito guys, Battle Royale in development pa. Ito yung naantay natin. A pure Battle Royale that you can enjoy even without having any previous knowledge about how Bitcoin works. So, ayan guys, alam na natin yan. And for gamers, with in-game Bitcoin rewards hidden within Easter eggs and challenges. Within the casual mode, there are 3 sub-modes based on the number of players involved. So, meron dyang solo, duo, and squad. So, and kung pwede kayo mag-solo. Then, kung may kaduo kayo or may friend kayo na meron ring LIGHTNITE, pwede kayong magsama-sama or squad, pwede rin. So, ganun siya guys, in development pa siya and feeling ko goods na goods to kapag lumabas. So, ayan, and meron ding arena in development din sila. And, ang alam ko, ilalabas to baka November. Kasi guys, punta tayo dun sa website nila. Scroll pa tayo dito pababa. Makikita nyo dito yung roadmap nila. 2019 pa sila nagplan, August. And tuloy-tuloy naman. Then ngayon, August 2021, open beta sila ngayon. And patapos na yan. And makikita nyo dito guys, yung description ngayong August. All weapons will be playable including throne, projectile, and melee. Nalalaro na yan. A first destruction system will be running on walls, buildings, and structural parts. So, ayun. And bukod doon, ang gold release nila is nasa November 21. So, for sure, baka tumas na yung isang LIGHTNITE kapag in-avail natin. Ngayon, 1,000 pa lang. So, ayun. User will decide if entering the arena and will be matched to a pool of users with the same A rank and B value of the items that they are wearing. So, yun, strategic games rin talaga siya, guys. And sabi nga dito, when a player dies, its items drop on the ground and other players have to take strategic but quick decision while other opponents try to kill them. So, parang ibig sabihin dito is, kapag napatay nyo yung kalaban ninyo, kung ano yung baril niya, mahuhulog yun and pwede nyong pulutin para gamitin. And sabi pa dito, they need to choose what to loot from the dead player, yun nga, either ammo, shield, or better guns to increase the probability to win the game. Then, and they need to do so wisely because each player has limited slots for items that can be carried in the backpack. So, parang yung ibang game lang guys, parang sa Ross or sa iba pang game na may backpack nga rin and limited lang yung pwede nyong ilagay, no? Hindi nyo pwede ilagay lahat. So, if nobody loots a lost item, it is burned. So, in the game, affecting the total supply of that specific item and making it more and more rare until it becomes legendary. So, yun. Scroll tayo. So, ito guys, meron silang mga events, competition, giveaways, splash mode. So, sa competition tournaments or contests will be available for everyone to participate. They want to unlock more Bitcoin or win NFTs, premium, rare, or even legendary. So, ayan, giveaways. Some Bitcoin will be hidden within the game map and players who find and collect them take ownership of those Bitcoin and can withdraw them into their wallet. Pwede natin, sa arena siguro to, na pwede tayo maglaro, which is kapag nakuha tayo guys ng mga parang mga Bitcoin, no? Pag nakuha natin yun, pwede natin yun ma-withdraw. So parang ayun yung giveaway nila. So meron din silang flash modes na ito nga creative game modes that last for 3 weeks. An example of a flash mode that players will find on LIGHTNITE is the mode in which players earn Bitcoin as they shoot opponents and lose Bitcoin when they get shot. So para siyang sugal, no? Kapag napatay mo yung kalaban, makakuha kayo ng Bitcoin. Pero kapag kayo napatay, mawawasan kayo ng Bitcoin. So parang ganun yung pagkakaintindi ko, guys. So ayan. And then ito, guys, item types. So, character skins, meron sila sa player yon. So, wearables, cosmetic wearables, items. Hoverboard, yung nakita natin kapag bumababa sila, guys, sa helicopter. So, tools to glide from the sky when the battle starts. Weapons, in-game items such as swords, pistol, laser, guns, etc. So, yung mga yan, guys, pwede natin yung ibenta. So, ayun, guys, may kita nyo, ito yon, yung mga parang skin dito. Yan, merong premium, may rare. So, ito, guys, supply and asset tokenization. So, legendary, 1 unit lang, and kapag meron kanyan, panigurado mahal yan. And rare max supply of 100 units. So, 100 kayong meron ng isang rare na item na yon. So, baka medyo mahal, ganon. Pag premium naman, max supply of 500 units. So, 500 kayong may-ari. Sa normal naman, unlimited supply. So, ito, alam ko, mura lang to, guys, sa marketplace nila. Kapag normal, kasi unlimited yan eh. So, ayun, guys, may kita nyo dito, guys. Ganyan siya. Siguro ito nasa legendary or nasa rare to kasi ang ganda eh. Diba? Tapos, tama yung hoverboard nila, oh. So, ganyan. So, ito yung sa about naman sa NFT market nga nila. Ayan, scroll lang natin. How to withdraw my balance. Ayan, first of all, you must log in at Elixir Launcher, go to Marketplace. Click on withdraw or go to wallet. You will have 2 options. So, kapag ka na-hit natin, guys, yung minimum withdraw nila dito, gagawa natin yan ng video. And ang alam ko, 10,000 Satoshi yan bago kayo maka-withdraw. So, ang kailangan nyo dyan para ma-withdraw is yung Lightning wallet nga nila. And gagawa kayo ng video, guys, lahat. And withdraw your sats to your Lightning Bitcoin wallet, you will have to put your L wallet address nga daw. So, ayun. And ito pa, 3,000 stores worldwide. Withdraw with Bitrefill. You can withdraw your balance in more than 3,000 stores worldwide. So, pwede natin i-withdraw, guys. Ito, guys, oh, nasa baba pala. May video pala dito. Ayun, may kita nyo dito. Yan, H&M. Andyan, pwede nyo i-withdraw yun sa mga ganong store. Or pwede namang sa L-wallet ninyo nga. Scroll lang natin. And ito, guys, yung founder and CEO ng Satoshi Gaming Corporation, si Carlos Roldan. And ito yung kanilang Twitter or yung kanyang Twitter, no? And yung username niya sa Twitter is @ythat. So, pwede niyo siya i-tweet. So, yun nga, guys. Dito ko na muna puputulin ang video nito and abangan nyo yung susunod kong video. And pag-uusapan natin doon kung paano nga natin install yung Elixir, i-download or paano nga tayo makapag-buy ng LIGHTNITE doon sa Elixir. So, lahat yun, guys, pag-uusapan natin sa susunod na video. Abangan nyo yun. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod kong upload. Peace!